Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will move further and we will actually add some links to these buttons. So here you can see that we can choose our car, and also we can, when we will click on choose car, then we will move to the next level hopefully. And we should have one more option here, one button here for the main menu. So here you can see that we can duplicate this choose car button over here, and let's duplicate it, Control D, and we will move it to this side maybe. Also the anchoring is very important, so always anchor things to the relative areas, so it's always good for the purpose. And here we can rename it to the name to the car selection maybe, or what we can say, the main menu. Actually we don't want to move back to main menu, so I just forgot the name. So we have main menu, we have car showroom, we have race track selection, so this will be race track selection button. Okay, so we will just select it, and we can say that back to racetrack. Okay, and definitely you can see that the text is not within a button limit, so we can actually resize this text, or we can scale the button. But if we scale the button, the text will also scaled out. So first I will remove this text over here, then I will just select the this thing, the button thing, and then we will make button bigger, then we will move the text inside the button, and then again we will move the text in the middle hopefully. Okay, so in this way we can set up the button, but I think we should make the text a little bit small so that it will be fitted inside the button. So now it's good, I think. And I have added a script here. I have written a script for the switching out of scenes, so that will be helpful. So if we move back to our scripts area, I have written a script for loading scenes. So the name of the script was okay, I will just level load. Okay, this one. So let's open this script and I will show you what I have written in this script. So let's wait for some seconds. So here you can see that we are seeing that scene management in the top library, and then we are seeing that public int scene to load, and then in load scene function we are seeing that we want to load the scene selected, and then we have added a public void car showroom scene, and we will actually we don't need it. Sorry, we don't need this function, we only need this function. Okay, load scene function, and we can apply this function to everywhere, okay, throughout the menus, so it will be very helpful. So we will also, before adding the accurate functions to these buttons, we will move back to another scene, and I will show you why. So we'll move back and we will save the project, and also we will just move back to build settings, and now we will add this scene as well. So here you can see that we have a car showroom scene, and we can place it here maybe on the third point. So here you can see the indexes. So for main menu we have 0 index, racetrack selection 1 index, then car showroom 2, and then scene time trial, etc. Okay, so if we want to move back to our racetrack selection, so we want index 1. Okay, so it's very easy. So now what we will do, we will just select the race car selection button, and we will, before that I will just add this level loader script to this canvas maybe, or okay, on the top, and then we can select the button, and then we can just go to the on click function, and we already have sorry, here you can see the function choose car is selected. So this is the old function, we don't need it, and we will just select load level loader and load scene. Okay, and okay, so the thing is the scene to load is here. Okay, so if we want to load the scene 1, then we can do so. And the better way of doing this is that we can delete the script from the canvas, and we will directly add it to this racetrack selection. Okay, because on separate buttons we can we want separate scenes as well. So here I am adding index 1 because the racetrack selection scene is 1, and then we will just add this script and level loader load scene. Okay, and on the choose car button we have this on click function, and I will just remove it, and we will also add the level loader script to choose car button, and then we will click on click function, drag of choose car, and then we will add the function here, and we are not actually sure about the scene to load, so we will revert back to this place in a while. So we will just save the project, and we will move back to our racetrack selection. So here you can see that we have track selection, and we have car selection as well. So if we click on this car selection button, we should move back to the car selection menu. So I will select the car selection menu, and here you can see that we can add the same script over here, level loader, and the index is 2 for the car selection menu. You will implement your own index, and here I will just add car selection and level loader and load scene. So now if we move back to our main menu, for example, and if we play it from beginning, then you can see that we can enter to start. Then if we click on car selection, you can see that we can select any car, we can change the color of the car, and then we will back to the racetrack again if we want to do so, and we can click on car selection and we'll move back to car selection menu. So beautiful. In next video we'll move further with our scripts. One more thing, important thing, is that here you can see that I have added the color change, sorry, the okay, this one. So in the last video I showed you that we have added some if statement for the mini map for of a mini map, so we don't need that. So that this script, select car script, will be the simple one. So next video we'll move further. Goodbye.